This is the 3-position clean, and it starts with the first clean in a high hang position, full squat clean, catch, reset, and then to knees, full squat clean, and then to mid-shin, which is on the floor, into a full squat clean. This is a great strength complex for you to do to develop power across those 3 areas in the high hang, the knees, and also from the floor. Try and build some strength with this complex and work on your barbell cycling skills with a 3-position clean.